Hello and welcome again in this part 3 video of making a meme coin for charity with the help of Google Bard. As you can see that on my second video that I have tweeted out everything. So if you're following my Twitter, you know that I am doing a thread in what has happened. And after seeing that thread, the Google did suggest me a ERC20 token, which I did ask Google to suggest me um, smart contract, which did suggest me. So I did tag a couple of people. They are known to helping other people to verify their smart contract. So kindly Scubo NFT, he did check this over and he did suggest a couple of things. As thank you, Scubo. So you are a fan of Google Bard. So thank you for your support and checking this over. So he did support, say, a couple of things. The number one, it doesn't realize that the token should be followed on ERC20 spec. As such, it could have used a base class to fill in base functionality. Number two, if it did, it would provide a balance of brackets on and off. So number three is appear to track total supply but doesn't update after burning. And number four, it doesn't understand the difference between native coin transfer and ERC20 transfer. So what I did, I went back to Google Bard and I told Google Bard, here you go, Google Bard. So let me make this bigger. Oh, I don't want a full screen. So basically, I wanted to make it 100%. It is good. So I did ask Google, act as a smart contract expert, and I posted the smart contract it did give me, right? And I told in the end, right? So I did post it and click enter. So Google pulled out these are the function which is available in this coin. The smart contracts also include the following events: so transfer, charity donation, community distribution, and burn, right? So I did now tell I have asked a smart contract expert to look at this, and he said the following. Right, the I did put number one. It doesn't realize the token should be followed on ERC20 specs. As such, it could use a basic class function. And number two, and think right. So immediately Google Bard said, "Sure, I can help you with that. Here's a corrected, rewritten smart contract." So it did explain the smart contract verified from this ERC20 contract. So there you go. So they did bring included those suggestions. It did also say that the smart contract implement the ERC20 standard correctly and includes all of the necessary functions and events. It's also use a base code to fill in basic functionality, which makes it more secure and easier to maintain. Additionally, it updates the total supply after burning the token and digitizing between native coin transfer and ERC20 transfer. I hope this helps. So what I did now, I went back to the tweet and I did tweet back to saying that I did ask Google and how is this looking at now. So anyone who's looking at now, you are great at smart contract. Please do go and verify this and come back to me. Message me on Twitter or Instagram, whatever it is. Or YouTube so we can get this going. So thank you for your amazing support. Please follow along, share with your friends and family. Let's make this coin for the charity coin, right? So anything that for coming from this coin that we'll spend in charity. I'm already contacted a couple of local organizers that they are working with the charity people that what is needed. So hopefully within a couple of days I will post those two as well so we can get this going. So with the help of the community, we will thrive this coin. So I'd like to see another video. Stay for the part 4.